In this video, we are looking at how to use rectangular array command in AutoCAD. So let's start by typing array in the command line and hit enter. After this, select this object and press enter. Then it is asking us to specify the type of array. So here I am going to select rectangular. And now you can notice the formation of columns and rows. Also, you can easily increase or decrease the number of columns and rows from here. Suppose I want 15 columns, so I'll enter 15 here. And I want 8 rows, so I can change this to 8. Or another way is you can use this arrow to increase or decrease the number of rows and columns. Also, you can specify the distance between columns and rows. I am setting this distance to 1 meter. And now you can observe the distance is increased. And now let's say you want no spacing between these rows and columns. For this, check the size of a single block. In my case, it is 0.4 by 0.4. So I'll enter the distance between columns and rows as 0.4 and 0.4. And here it is. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.